Hello, my name is Herbert William Hoover from America. Probably you know my family's business, the Hoover Vacuum Company, was started by my grandfather back in 1907. Today is the time for the world to get to know me. I'm here to say that, in fact, I know as much as anybody about international investing. I was serving in the U.S. Army after I graduated from Georgetown University School of Business Administration. Following the Army, I went to work on Wall Street as a stockbroker and floor trader. And from Beverly Hills, I could do some trading on the London Metal Exchange, which I did for about 5 years, trading the non-ferrous metals. Following that California experience, I decided to move to ranch property in the state of Wyoming, where I purchased some properties in the mountains, and we developed that property into several different real estate ventures, which were successful. And later I moved to the state of Montana, which was next door, and bought property there, and again successfully developed that property. A few years ago I started to travel around the world with a motorcycle, and this took me to more than 35 different countries. During these travels of many years, I think 8 or 9 years I've been doing that, of course I met many hundreds, maybe thousands of people. Obviously had interest in the newest systems of financial transactions. Therefore, we've decided to inform the world of a new system that we're about to launch concerning cryptocurrency, which is going to greatly enable and facilitate people in general in doing financial transactions. And you're welcome to look at the YouTube channel of our company to inform yourself how it's going to work.